Take 3 minutes and let me show you 3 different ways to generate more listings using social media. Hey, it's Peter Chabris with Lockbox, and yes, we all know and all feel the fact that there are not enough listings here in Cincinnati. And so I wanted to share with you 3 different ways that you can use social media to increase the number of listing opportunities that you see in today's market. And the way that you use social media is by controlling perception. Because in social media, when you post something, you control people's perception of you. And as we all know in sales, perception is reality. So let me give you 3 different ways to use social media to change people's perception of your capacity as a listing agent. Number 1 is share new listings. This works great when you're on a sales team. If you share the listings taken by the sales team, or potentially share the listings from your brokerage. Anytime you share a listing, you must obviously identify the source of the listing and get that individual agent's permission ahead of time. And sometimes you can just share the listing of special listings from other agents, other brokerages, if they'd like to get some additional exposure for that listing. The second thing that you can do is tour builders' listings by making a film and touring listings that are either under contract or have just been, under construction or are ready to be sold by builders. They love the additional exposure. And it also positions you as somebody that understands new construction. Oftentimes, new construction will elicit somebody's need to move, where they may reach out to you and talk about moving from their current home into a new build. The third way that you can generate more listings from social media is by posting seller-specific strategies online. Quick videos where you're giving seller tips: how to prepare a home for sale, how to improve your curb appeal, how to value a home before you go on the market. Seller-specific content will help attract sellers to you. So those are 3 different strategies you can use on social media to improve people's perception of you as a seller specialist in today's market. Stick around, be back in a week.